You could extend them and not have to worry about these snapping on you. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these JASVERLIN seamless cotton hair ties. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending these out for review, so let's go ahead and check them out. So this is a 100-piece hair tie container. I am in love with them. I actually have used a few already myself. Let me go ahead and show you why I am totally impressed with this type of hair tie. I'm going to give you a closer look. These are 100% cotton hair ties, and one of the things that I like is this right here. You could extend them and not have to worry about these snapping on you. Take a look. I love how much I could pull, twist, and yank, and these right here are super flexible. Take a look. It went back to its original size. Such a nice hair tie. These are available in a variety of colors. I got them in black. I think black is just versatile. You could use it in many ways. You could style your hair. You could do pigtails. You could do ponytails. This is perfect, especially hair ties. They are always, like myself, I'm always losing them. So I do like that they come in a little container like this. So I could put these on my hairdresser and I am ready to go grab a hair tie and I am ready. But like I mentioned, I do like how stretchy they are. You don't have to worry about these snapping. I've had a lot in my day where I use them and they snap on me in the middle of tying my hair, and that could be the most frustrating thing. So I do like these, that they do not snap, they stretch. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I'm gonna tie my hair, just do some pigtails, but they are so simple to use. Just simply wrap them around your hair and you are done. So if you're looking for some new hair ties, then I would definitely recommend you check these out. I'll go ahead and link them down below. Make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.